Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here for another video, and this is Lone Star Trick Plans, and we're going to be unstuffing our month ahead for bills. We're going to deposit it in the bank so that we can pay our April rent, April bills. We have saved in the month of March to be able to pay these bills in April. So we are going to unstuff what we have saved. We know how much our bills are going to be, so we're going to unstuff the money that we need for the April bills. So let's get into the video. My mom is here and she's going to unstuff her bills that we have gone over, what we need to pay, the amounts we're looking at, and we know how much we need to unstuff. And she's gonna unstuff the bills. Let's just do that. So rent, we're going to unstuff $877. So this was income she had in the month of March that she is pulling out, that she saved. She was a month ahead on rent, so we are unstuffing. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, that was 8.
Yeah, that's 8.
Okay, 850, 75, 76, 77. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right. We're gonna update our trackers offline. Now you gotta do it. You gotta set it up.
Oh, you're picky.
Yeah, so we can get the video. Then we'll do a thumbnail at the end so we can get we'll fan out the cash so we can get a good thumbnail. So put it in. So next we're gonna do utilities. And this is considered water, gas, trash, and pest control for her where she lives. And the bill this month, due on April 1st, is $104.86. 50, 100, and we need 105. So probably all those. So the bill's $104.86, and we're gonna deposit $105. So that you put back in your envelope. So put that back in your envelope, and then we'll. So we oversaved basically last month because we want to save an estimate high for those months when she doesn't have enough. The leftover money that she has every month from overestimating her bill money is going to help her on the months when the bill comes in higher and she doesn't have enough. So that's what we're hoping for. So that $10 we just saved is going to go towards a future month when that bill is higher. So electric is $50. That's what, oh no, we don't know what that bill is going to be yet. We're going to save that.
Yeah.
We'll wait until we get the actual bill amount and then we'll unstuff it because that one is due at the end of the month. So we're going to just hold on to that money, and then at the end of the month when we know how much the bill is going to be, we'll unstuff that envelope. So we're going to skip that for now. So we have car wash, which is $20, and we just save exactly because we know how much that's going to be, and so we don't have anything left. Internet is going to be $50, and that bill doesn't change. It stays the same for her. So we saved $50. So we're going to unstuff that. And that should give us $1,052. So let's go ahead and add that up real quick and make sure we have that amount. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $1,002, $52, $1,052. Yeah, that's what we have. So $1,052. So we've got $1,052
To go to the bank.
that will be taken to the bank to deposit to pay our April rent and April bills. So we've got our little cash pouch here that we'll use to deposit. And we've got our teller slips and our pens. And that's it, guys. We'll come back with the April budget.